Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Smart Display easy guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Google Nest Smart Display. Make sure you have all the components, including the power adapter and the stand. Place the device on a stable, flat surface near a power outlet. Connect the power adapter to the smart display. Plug the other end into the wall outlet. Once plugged in, the display will power on automatically. Wait for the device to initialize, which may take a minute. Select your preferred language on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted, and click Connect. The device will then check your network connection. Once connected, enhance your experience by signing in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly on the display. Follow additional prompts to personalize your experience. This may include selecting a home address and personalizing your Google Assistant. After the setup is complete, your Google Nest Smart Display will be ready to use. You can start with basic voice commands to test its functionality. Explore the settings to customize display brightness, wallpapers, and accessibility options. Now you can enjoy features like streaming music, video calls, and smart home controls. Experiment with different voice commands to discover all the capabilities. Your Google Nest Smart Display is now fully set up for your convenience and enjoyment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.